believed in either of them. It's the underdog final, the Cinderella final with two slippers. They're both Hoosiers. They're Seabiscuit. They are Braveheart.
Continue to play our game. Our game's been good all playoffs. Our game's been good all year. We don't change a thing. We play fast. We play good support hockey in all zones. That's what we do. Biggest thing, let's go out and have some fun. Here we go.
Strong decisions. Stay connected as we talked about. Let's make sure we're going the distance. Shift to shift focus.
It's Vegas and Washington, and Game 1 of the Stanley Cup Final is underway in Las Vegas.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Led onto the back column, Miller and drives.
Good shot, Rosie! Good battle,
And then it's Fedorov in front, and Reeves goes after someone. It was Kuznetsov. And then going after Reeves was Orpik.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You wanna try? I didn't think so. What are you gonna do? You! Ah! Yeah, right! Yeah, right!
Kempney with a shot deflected, score! It's a tie game!
Here's TJ Oshie, a wraparound, comes right to Backstrom, he scores!
Let's try not to be right on each other, because then we get caught.
yeah.
You know, slow it down. We made it. We don't need to look good, you know. Sometimes the best place to be is where you're
Ready for Riley Smith's shot, off a stick and wide, score! William Karlsson!
Got it on the wing for Engelland. Save, holding, rebound. Oh, and a ricochet off the wing. And a score! It's Riley Smith breaking the tie.
Jumps into the high slot, gets it in front, he scores!
Think you're gonna score? After you. Yeah. You scored, I scored too. I didn't score yet.
No, you scored last year.
Yeah, I know. Game winner.
Lost control, but England got the puck, shot it intentionally wide. Nosek to the front of the net. They score! Ryan Reeves!
Let's go! Let's go!
Here's Ovechkin with a shot, tipped right on. Fleury made the save, they score!
Come on, boys. Gotta keep going here. Let's go. Come on.
Theodore moving on with it now. Through one right for the score! No sack!
Let's go! Yeah. Put on the gas, boys. Don't sit back.
Puck in front, right through the crease untouched, and the Knights clear it. 8 seconds, it's out of the zone. Nosek has it toward the empty net. He scores! Nosek!
Game 1 to the Vegas Golden Knights.
Hell of a game. Woo! Heck of a game. Oh, baby, let's go. That's 1. 3 more. 3 more. Yeah, boys. Yeah. Woo! Let's go.